Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing two more Tarmac Works models. Now, both of these models are special editions, so you're definitely not going to want to miss this one. If you do like this style of content, make sure to drop it a like and also subscribe if you are new. But without further ado, let's jump straight in to these two Tarmac Works special editions. Now, both these models are the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR KPG C10. Now, they are also both Global 64 models, but obviously come in the special edition style box, which is obviously a bit longer and also has all the details, obviously with the model on multiple sides of the box, as you can see. Now, this one obviously coming in the ivory white and the red on the box, but the model is just in ivory white. You can also see it does have the Watanabe logo on the bottom, as you will see it does have the Watanabe rims as well. Now, this model really impressed me when I did have it in hand. As you can see, the detail is just absolutely impeccable. You can see that Nismo decal really clean on the side, also same with the little Skyline logo, which is also on the Kaido House models. If you have got the Kaido House Datsun 510s, it does also have that Nismo decal, which I think is very cool. But you can also see on the rear of the model you have got the detailed tail lights and also the Japanese plate, which I do think could be a little bit more detailed, but it still is there nonetheless and does still add that realism when you are taking photos, which you will see at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around for that. But here you can see again the wheels spinning very nicely and they are really nicely detailed as well. Obviously the Watanabe wheels, but you can wheel swap them if you did want to. You can see that grille is really nicely proportioned with the chrome accents and the GTR logo on the front, and the headlights and the wing mirrors are also really nicely proportioned, with the wing mirrors also having the little mirror decal, just again adding to the realism. You can see the paint is applied very nicely and there is no blemishes at all. It's not applied too heavy, and honestly this is one of my favourite colours for the Nissan Skyline, especially an older Skyline like this. But that now brings us on to the second special edition model, which is this really cool box. As you can see, again also the Skyline KPCG10, but you can see the box is really cool. Obviously it's got this sort of Japanese style writing with the sort of comic style. I'm not too sure what it's meant to be like, but it's really cool nonetheless. You can see obviously this model coming in the silver with the model again on the front and the side, with also the details on the box at the back. But what do you think of this box? Obviously also a special edition as well. Hasn't got the little special edition logo, but nonetheless still a very cool box, and honestly one of my favourite packaging styles they have done. But enough about the packaging, let's talk about the actual model. Obviously it's the exact same casting as the one before, but this one obviously having different wheels. Obviously these ones being silver, they do also roll. Also has fairly detailed interior, but this one does have the decals on the windows. Obviously also come with the Japanese plate, which I will let you know on a little detail at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around for that. But nonetheless, you can see again the body lines and the detail, the badge on the rear, the chrome accents on the tail lights and also the bumper, and also on the front bumper as well, the grille. Overall, these castings are very good, and I know Inno64 do also do the KPG C10 Skyline, but this Tarmac Works one definitely does rival it. Yes, the Inno64 may be a little bit sharper and have a little bit better body lines, but overall this Tarmac Works is definitely not far away from it, and honestly they're definitely worth the money. Let me know which one of these was your favourite down below. Do you prefer the ivory white or the silver, and which packaging style do you prefer as well? Now, I did say there was a cool little detail with these models, and that is the number plate on the rear. Now, both of these models do have the Japanese plate, but as you can see, the ivory white one says 2023 and the silver says 2024, obviously for each year the model was released. So a very cool detail and something that's really cool to look out for on the Tarmac Works models, and I do hope they continue that in the future for the special editions, so you can line them all up together.